Hi, my name's Mark from Vislink. Our solutions allow our customer to transmit live, high quality, high definition video with very low delay over the Verizon network. So the demonstration we're showing here is we're taking live video, HD video from this camera, feeding it into the Airstream unit here via an HD SDI connection. We also can support an HDMI connection. This unit is sending the video over multiple cellular connections. There are actually 5 Verizon modems in here. We take the bandwidth from each modem, add it all together, and that gives us a much higher data rate to transmit the video, which results in high quality and low delay. In this case, we're transmitting the video over the cell network to a server in Massachusetts, and that server is transcoding the video and displaying it on a website here, live video, which we're now just showing here on the monitor.